Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to adjust two text boxes height and width using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file with PDF-XChange Editor. Now click on this home option and select here edit text down here and select text. Now click on your text box and press Ctrl and hold it and select another one. Now select arrange option and here you will find this same height same width. I'll make this two text boxes same height and see this. Also I'll align middle and see this. These two text boxes now same height, and also I'll make these two text boxes same width and select arrange and this is same width. See this. Also I'll align center and see this. In this you can make all your text boxes same width and same size. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.